share this video. I don't know when they Emmanuel Siagogo. Share this video. Tag ya Gabia. There's Gabia go. Share this video. 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 Onwo ye na Siagogo. Si na ezugo sile anya bia. Oh, Jegwa ndi na-esi agụgọ gwa sịrị ba meme na Jegwa ndi na-esi agụgọ gwa sị n'iri ba meme na o kwere m nkwa na ọ na-esi n'ebe ikpofu ahịhịa bunye nwa ogbenye n'ule n'omena ya ewo ụmụnne m bịanụ Chukwu emewo ya ndị enyi m bịanụ solo ṅụrụ ọṅụ Chineke chagụ anya mmiri unu bịanụ ka anyị sị ya chi anyị meela anyị na-enye jenu gwa ndị na-esi agụgọ gwa ha bịa yes Prince Val Ukenedo sịrị I am here ịghọtago ọ dịrị Ugochukwu Destination Destination Fabian Shika share this video. Destination say I like this your song. Then let me repeat it again. Jegwa ndi na-esi agụgọ gwa sị n'iri ba meme na Jegwa ndi na-esi agụgọ gwa sị n'iri ba meme na. This will be yet another opportunity to expose the lies of the enemies of Zion. Amalomifu munaye ne drive na propaganda lies and they that will wound them mad. You want to go? You may not like me. It is fine. But seeking every opportunity to spread lies about me is a no-no. It's a no-no. Share this video. Click on like. This video should be made very, very important. Share this video. Click on like. I want to know a video. Man, share. In fact, I want to share this video. I will not continue with what I want to say. I want to like and I want to reaction. One na this video. I will not continue. Yes, I will not continue. Can't you like that? All na man for her can share the video of more for enough like and love. Yeah, I'm motivating to go Gabaniru. I will not continue with this video. I will end this live broadcast. The count will begin. Let the count begin. Yes, share this video. Share this video. Okay. Kelonye tiri this emoji here. Let me take care of you first. Prince Val Ukenedo. Let me block you immediately. You want to go? Let me block you immediately. Off you go. You cannot come to my page to constitute nuisance. Hell no. So you are off this page. So even can afford about 18 reactions. Meanwhile, when we go more than how many comments here? I am only seeing 9 shares. Meanwhile, when we go more than how many comments here? Let me count the comment of people. Count all the comment of new people. And all of you good things. Let's go carry on. Let's go carry on. Then why will you find it difficult to share this video? If you can't share this video, then I can't continue. I'm sorry. You want to go? If you can't share this video, then I can't continue. Only 21 reactions. You want to go? Even more than 45 people watching me here. We have 44 people here. You cannot share. You cannot even like. Maneya da sime ezugo ride on ezugo jisike. That your GCK and write down should reflect in the like. love only the reason that Facebook which wait here there. If a Facebook which wait here there is for you to show people that no, I like this thing. Yes, you go and like, you go and love. You want to go? You react according to how you feel. You want to go? That is why in Juwe block Ukenedo or Ukenedo Igirimedo and Omanedo. That is why in Juwe block. Even Juwe block because no react with angry emoji. Unless you okay, never on like if I name here. Off you go. Say it was like a Facebook is oh now when I like it if I name hey I can have 23 people like a video name and you want me to continue shouting. It's not possible now. We are 51 here. We are 51 here. Click on like and love. Share this video. 35 people shared already. No. We want to get the statistics of people. Statistics of people so that Adama like Kevin more herself sharing to those groups. Adama like it, but it's fine. At least we have 50 people here. Let me continue now with if I be an email here. It is so sad how people enjoy spreading lies and deceiving people. You made the video. You after when you posted that video, it claimed more according to you. If GT ya honey na Zion or the guy you made that video. That people should stop putting men of God in programs. That you will like to get the contact of that particular guy who is Godwin. That you will like to get the contact of that particular guy who is Godwin so that you can ask him some questions. That you also want to get in contact or the contact of the senior pastor also so that you can ask him a question. And you said, no, the members of the church of that guy send the information you will put that out. Now, number one, I would like to get the contact of that particular guy in question, none of that video, so that you can ask him some questions. You also want to get the contact of the senior pastor in that church, that no the church members when they send the information in on a wopota, that you are not saying that Zion paid the guy, but people should stop putting men of God in programs. And you even announced the testimony before you were post. Now you said that this particular guy is still a pastor. Now that particular church, as you speak now, come to pay yazo, makesi molu webia. Come to pay yazo, makesi molu webia. You want to get the contact of a guy who is in your, who was rather in your comment section. He is still in your comment section as we speak, giving you the fact as you may want to know. You disregarded the person who you were talking about. How else are you going to get his contact to speak with him when he is right there in your comment section and you are threatening to block him? You are threatening to block him. How can you block somebody? How can you be threatening to block somebody who you said you are looking for his contact? It's a question. Now, can do zero na anya? I went through, in fact, the Facebook page of this particular guy is Evangelist Godwin, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. Where is it? Yes. Evangelist Godwin with 1,600 followers. And he's following 197 people. So, I think if we can even increase the Facebook page of this guy to somewhere 5,000, 10,000, perhaps he may have stories to tell. Now, I went through the Facebook page of this guy because I wanted to know exactly Now, going through his Facebook page, I realized something, which is going to, that up to somewhere, first, from January to February, from January, February or so of last year, back then, that actually, that this young man, Nona, rather, I think 2023, not 2024, up to the ending of 2023, I mean, this young man was actually an assistant pastor in the said church. The poster posted. He was an assistant pastor. But when you follow the post na page this guy, when you follow the post to the gas na page this guy, you will see that sometime the ending to the beginning of 2023, 2024, this guy began to post some kind of post, inspirational quote of so many pastors, especially Apostle Johnson Suleiman. From a comment from somebody who I assumed to be a member of that particular church, you could see that now that young man will problem with the pastor, none of that church. Now that young man follow out with that particular church that was mentioned, not follow out, and he left that church. Because on the post to everything about this church until somewhere November, December 2023. Coming into January, February 2024, he stopped posting every single thing about this church. From February down to 2023. Iyafo Ebe on participate actively in church activities. They are going for evangelism. Even the video that was posted on that particular video it was yesterday was made in between 2023 to about January, February of 2024. I mean, that video was made in 2023. Go down through the page of Godwin. You are going to see what I'm talking about. Even the Pueblo, I am giving you fact that you can go and check yourself. That same video that was posted in that video yesterday was a video that happened in 2023. That was when it happened. Now his previous church, Ebo pastor. Now, when you come to 2024, if we post to a lot of inspirational quotes about Apostle Johnson Suleiman mostly, and the one other two pastors, then randomly, Obu Batata, obviously, that was when he was passing through a difficult time. Wanna pass through a difficult time. Now, there was a time between that 2024, Yahweh Bagota, towards around March, April, about March, April or so. Wow, obviously, that particular time, that young man is on Jerusalem. From that time, now 2023, about every February, March, now 2023, from that time, that young man who you post to raise if it was Zion back to back. I am not saying a random person, no, I am telling you that from 2024, this young man became an active member of Zion. No jokes. From that time, the only place he have this young man who may preaching na street. He have to preaching at church. He have to born on that particular church had a before. That he obviously have problem with his former church. Now, let me back you down, having given you now the foundation of what I want to say. Share this video because this is going to open a lot of people's eyes. Ebuka Obi melono. Unu claim No, na like if Zion name, man, unu do more updated. Unu do more updated. So, all na governor eziokwu na video say no church members of this particular man wunya send that video. Can't you see that you are that is a pure lie? The church members may send you that video for what purpose? Why will they send you a video that happened in 2023 when they know that as we speak now, that from 2024, that young man sees a member of that church? Why will they send you the video that happened in 2023? For what use exactly? And why were you busy telling them that as we speak now, that this young man is still a pastor in so and so church? How can someone be something like assistant pastor currently in a church that he no longer posts anything about? He doesn't post anything. You can never see him in a pulpit preaching. You can only see him on the street preaching. Yes, go to his page and verify. That is not even I owned. You gotta go. So why you Juena allow one devil use at this particular time against the church? Why you need an instrument for devil they use on? Salvation is personal. But also so where I am or where I belong does not really matter. You should concentrate in your own personal race. That is what we count. If you claim that you are a Christian, you should concentrate in your own heavenly race. That is what you will answer for now the last day. How can you come to tell people that this young man, as we speak, is still a member and as an assistant pastor in the said church, when you know that this young man does no longer participate in any activities of that church? So now he even came to that particular comment section. Go and verify. Nefa boss onyalo even before Owebido nyaba Uber. Go professional dashboard, yeah. If that this same person, as of whatever no make it go more than 3,600 trips. Yes, no make it go more than how many trips? I'm going to ask the account here, but I just saw the professional dashboard. You got to go? Yeah, the Chika Durusi, the guy is still preaching till today through his Facebook page, which is true. Sometimes you see him sit and preaching. Sometimes you see him on the street. He mostly go to the street to preach. Which will go say that Nife Basaru Chuku and the preaching is still can go. So now, first of all, let us go to a particular comment that got my attention. Only one comment. That comment will show you exactly what is going through, what happened. That this is no more we are past the era. We are past those era where people will just come and spread lies, then and you will think that that lie will fly. Somebody, Anna Ozaza, commented when Godwin posted this bus, and he said, I was even driving this minibus before I switched to Uber driving last year, 2024. That he was even driving this bus, Ojas 1, with a number plate. Number plate the bus obviously, when he left that church on there, he was passing through a lot of things. Yes. What happened to that church? Because Ega through his Facebook page, he shows it all. He have work and vibrant and on that church. Then you could see when he left that church, from post on they make it as of that time, you will see a post of a man who do wounded, then I pass it through a lot of stress. Most of the posts on they post that time is a post that reminds him that one day that this burden will pass. It is a post that will show him that look at where you are heading to after this hard time. He was posting a lot of motivational posts from Apostle Johnson Suleiman mostly. Then boom, the next pictures here from that early 2024 we picture Zion. You want to go? So is he going to still be a pastor in that church while he has flooded his Facebook timeline with the activities of Zion since he stepped his foot into Zion? Every single day from that 2024 till today, he has always followed Zion program. On a share open heaven since 100 days first now you will be on a share last year. On make almost very active Nife Bashar Zion. So how can you still tell me that that's such a man is still a pastor in another church? Yeah? Make una fear God now. Make una fear God. Fear kenenu God. He posted this on your comment section. While saying, I was driving this mini bus before I switched to Uber driving last year, 2024. He said it. Then, somebody was Zaza. Where there's something that is going to give you an insight to whoever that brought attention. Because obviously, when he started going to Zion, I may not expect the previous church Ebon and pastor to be happy about it. I am just alleging. I am not saying for sure. You want to go? I'm just alleging. I am not saying for sure. Yeah? That you may not expect the previous church, Ebon an assistant pastor, to be happy that their former assistant pastor is now posting back to back an event and the programs of another church, being active without hiding it. You cannot expect them to be happy. So obviously, when he flashed, when they saw the picture or the testimony, or not picture, where Evangelist Ebuka Obi located him, kolo on the screen, you will not expect them to digest it very well. Because obviously, the man are an image mama na their church. So now, maybe they now picked one or two to send to Governor Ezioku. But this is why Ezugoju will lock Ibe. You can never see me get involved in publishing any story that I will withdraw later. You can never see Ezugo do that. Because the moment I see a news or people they send them news, yes, now confirm. You want to go? Oh, he told me, frankly, he told me that the wife, he told me that his previous pastor's wife told Governor Ezioku all those trash. You see, which can be 100% possible. I will not doubt it. I will not doubt it because some of my fans here can attest to the fact that now no one if he send the chalomo na Facebook or na WhatsApp make na Facebook. Yes, they can attest to that. No one even yesterday people will be there call my attention to this particular video, but I said no, I will not say anything until I get the facts surrounding this particular matter. That is only when I am going to come out to speak. So, only a blogger, but you are not practicing investigative journalism. Then you need to ask yourself some questions. Information. You will keep apologizing every minute. You will keep apologizing. You don't need. I don't even need to come and blog about JPAC because I say things I am sure of. I say things I am sure of, or things with conviction of, so that if anything happens, I can know how to start defending myself. So you did not verify to confirm that this young man is no more with that. Look, for some people, he can be a pastor and also be an Uber driver. Yes, of course, he can. No doubt. He can be a pastor and still be an Uber driver. No doubt. But that is not the issue here. That is not the issue here. The issue is not about being an Uber, or we are trying to give you a rundown so that you will understand that as of the time of making that particular video that that young man is no more with that church. And he left that church more than 1 year ago. More than 1 year ago. It is gradually going to 2 years that he left that church. So how can somebody come in 2025 and say, as we speak now, that young man is still... So, is it possible now that Governor Ebuka can now come on Facebook now and clarify and put more clarity on this matter? Now, look at the comment that gave me an insight. And for all I know, this Zazanaza, let me check. This Zazanaza can be a member of that church. Look at what he wrote. He said, Evangelist Godwin post through. I was even driving this minibus before I switched to Uber driving last year, 2024. We say Evangelist Godwin, see, Oga, leave that nonsense. You betray your father, the major prophet Shisum Ernest, the general overseer of abundant grace power church, before you face what you are facing now. Did you see? Oh, this Zazagwaria say, Oga, leave that nonsense. You betray your father. That is no betrayal. His father, which is the first pastor, now assistant pastor, you want to go. That Oga, leave that nonsense. You betray your father, the major prophet Chisholm Ernest, the general overseer of abundant grace ministry church, before you face what you are facing. Before they face Zion. Kerife on a face he fell. Mary Ojuwe walk until he walked into Zion. It's a question. Could it be that his discovery about... Let me not go back. Let us continue progressing. Now, also, the God of the God of abundant blessed you so mightily before, and you build the house in the year 2023, and you buy 3 cars, and before you fuck up and everything changed, before your friend borrowed you money to buy the minibus you showed here. I have all evidence here, so stop that kind of thing, I beg. So let us now go by if this young man who did here, did it prove what I'm saying wrong? I don't want to know what was the problem between him and his daddy, betrayer. But the fact is that it has confirmed the fact that I said that now this young man, with his previous church, obviously, that was why he left. Then, secondly, he made mention of what the guy was passing through. Now, were you here when I said that Nega na Facebook page this young man, ni yafumbe oyada, ni yafumbe oyada a portray a picture, messages that shows that he was passing through a lot of difficulties as of that time. Did you see something that reflectory to what I said in this particular comment? I said you will see where the guy was posting a lot of encouraging and motivating videos more from Apostle Johnson Suleiman to show that he was passing through something right now. He now confirmed the fact that that mini boss the guy posted through actually belongs to him. But not that mini boss. So now, what is left now is that the young guy, but Nambonya shall this mini boss. No go kwaziri oba nyawoba. There is nothing that is misleading about everything that is here. The guy left the church. Obviously, he may pass through a lot. And office or opportunity as according to him, because I don't know the truth surrounding that one. Opportunity a house and 3 cars, and choose to go and suffer to bounce back again. You gotta go. You gotta go. You see. So now, what is the lie there? I come in peace. Why do you always keep on defending this ministry? Please For how long will you continue doing this? Ebutes, I will answer you your question. I will continue to do this for as long as somebody like you still exists in this social media space. Or to clear now, Ebutes, I will continue to do this for as long as now somebody like you and other people still exist. If you know the reason why you will keep doing what you are doing, then I also know the reason why I will keep decoding equation nile. Well, any magic you do here. You want me to go and sleep so that lies and deceit, people like you may spread, they can fly. That is why you are so uncomfortable with Ezugo, always coming up to debunk your lies. I am telling you the fact here, you still don't want to listen. In as much as you are seeing that what I am saying is the fact. But your anger, however, is why Meji when that is your anger. You want me to go in so that this lie can fly. Have you not seen that it's obviously that somebody who made that video made it out of malice? Yes. Aimed at tarnishing the image of a fellow man like you. And you are happy that I should go in so that that lie can fly. Sometimes I'm long as some of you say Chiuche. I don't know. Defending Nigerian pastors is like, does it also result to me keeping quiet when I have clearly seen that Nefa Bukwase? Do you know what it took me for me to arrive at Eben now? Eh? Do you know what it took me for me to arrive at Eben now? So that people will not be misled. Do you know what it took me? You don't know, and you don't care to know. Yes. So, where is the lie here? No, sorry, that now you betrayed your father, which I told you. Now, church here, obviously, we problem. Then, now, move able to post to that videos who make us wear motivational effort. Go say that he was passing through something. Now, this young man now confirmed that he borrowed money from somebody. Do we need you to give us any evidence? We don't need you to give us any evidence that he borrowed money from somebody and bought a minibus opposed to here. Sitting on this minibus before he started driving. And it's just you confirming to us that he actually drove that minibus. That Kolokwe. No, that Kolokwe. Because you have told us the source of the money. And you have forgotten that this is not even the contest here. The contest is not whether no betrayal, pastor. Rather, you confirm to us that he's no more with that church. That is what you did now. Now that he passed through a lot, you have confirmed us that it was actually something. You confirmed what he said. That no more Zion wish year in November wish year or drop customer or drop a passenger. About Zion. So what was that drove him into Zion? Obviously, he was passing through a lot. We should just confirm here. And he borrowed money from somebody to buy the Kolokwe. Now, what of the Uber story? He's telling you that he's an Uber driver. And what did he even say in that video? No, na Uber. Na customers any but after he came to Zion, like this. It could be people, it could be no elevator gate to another place. It can be something you don't know, but something good obviously happening to him right now. Manu made the code, everything, made the code, everything. So, ana mafu ake enwe n'ofe, and ake enwe nnafu n'ofe, ake enwe nnafu n'ofe. Onwere onye biara joy ajụjụ say, can you explain how he betrayed your father? Because ibe nke ahụ kwazi unu chọọ, anyị ekpere ikpe nke ahụ. Ịghọtago, ịchọkwazie, anyị ekpere ikpe nke ahụ. Enwere a lot of things done at that comment section. Ye help Governor Eziokwu. If truly he did not post that video maliciously, because na Facebook I na amacho uma na-eme something. Mana adoya kakita, ikele mo na ema hifi na-eme. You know what you are doing. You posted that particular video intentionally because you think you know when you first announced there's a testimony coming. Then when you posted it now, you get back to claim what? No. I'm not saying that Zion paid him, but you people should stop putting men of God in programs. That was what you claim now. Ko we wuruzie mba na ipostu he ka expose Godwin and not Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Make una fear God. Make una fear God. The same person. Eh? Yeah? You gotta go. So, make una fear God. Make una fear God. Ono machifunu na eme o. Man onu na claim no na machifunu na eme. Go to the page of that guy. In fact, let us take a trip. Let us take a trip. Let us take a trip. You will even see the day that particular video had a go say. You will even see the day it happens. Look at the page of that guy. Can you feel Nafu? Oh no, Zion, get Nafu here. Look at it. Can you feel Nafu here? Can you feel Nafu here? You may not the same Aquakoi. Not the same Aquakoi. Have you seen the guy again? Yeah? Have you seen the guy again? From what I have seen, the guy who a lover of white outfit. Or likely they white outfit, not the same Aquakoi. You are now claiming that the same Aquoi na ogeni, not the same Aqua Oyikwa Webi na Zion. What is the essence of talking about Aquoi? What is the essence of talking about Aquoi? I am asking if it was not intended to do all job. So now that this particular lies has been debunked again, can you people now go and start planning another one? Eh? Share this video, click on like and love. It is very important for record purpose. As you go now here. You see? Look. If here, Gaba, Zion. Yeah? Nka woro ministerial Kerel. Every single thing this young man may post to Oka, night of open heaven. Then look at him. Look at him here.
Very greeting.
Yeah, Deva.
Wherever you're watching this video from, you are favored and you are blessed in the name of Jesus.
We made this one. Look at it. Night of open heaven. Night of open heaven. Then the one young again. If I na be kwa kono kwa. We ne kukwa nka. Bagare yakwa nekwe night of open heaven. Bagare ba nekwe nka ukwa na be kono kwa.
Yeah, glory be to God.
Na be kono kwa we ne kuka.
Happy Sunday.
Yeah?
Yeah, on the quick one.
Kilu even madu melu neme. Look at it. Night of open heaven. Night of open heaven. Neye 100 days. Neye be kan noketa. Anon keta in August. Neye. Yeah? Then on another day, he always like posting if this man again, Prophet Joel Ogebwe. Mostly on a post to everything about that guy. Even some posts to do deleted. In the choir of me all night of open heaven. All night of open heaven. If you night of open heaven, post Nina do deleted night of open heaven. Nka Zion project. Ngopala 2025 Zion City project. If you he posted this one na 4th of August. I have a August too. He want to go make a post to this video yesterday. Look, I asked agreement. What is the essence? He even posted his own testimony. Look, you people should go to that guy's page and follow him up. Let us push him up to 5,000, 10,000 followers so that he can, his page is Evangelist Godwin. Let us push him up so that he can have more followers. Preach the gospel. Yes, perhaps this may be another way God will ensure he opened door into his ministry. You see, almost something may go say on a page this guy. He will almost something may go say on a page this guy. Naga, if you only if we only kuzuku be on anozi, or does he in a church? He ought to go. Nay, if you are if you post to make apostle Joseph Suleiman. If you Gaba, I want to go down. Nke awolo obosi mgbe Evangelist Ebuka Obi jere Island. Pagariba. Negasie. Every single thing he adafu na page ewu. Nekwa nka. Every single thing he adafu na page wo about Zion. Look at it. Can not offer. Then if you go post through Apostle Salesman. He got to go. Naga. If you the quite same guy I'm sensing that now Omari shoe no on air will be because you know Maluma na roll nuna. Yes, and a roll nuna. So definitely young will say that this young man is currently not doing well. Who says he's not doing well? Who says he's not doing well? Somebody name POP screaming nuno name with aggressiveness. Name can I say that currently he's not doing well? Who told you that he's not doing well? Yeah, this is his page. Opposed to this picture on the 16th of July. 16th of July, how many months ago? He's currently not doing well. Oh no, fake life on AB. This fake life on AB do very expensive. And it takes somebody a little money now, but to even mash up with this fake life on AB. Yeah? Look at it. Yeah? For the fact that even if you did not call him up, nobody will even pay attention. Because there are a lot of people, even they say because they locate now screen or anywhere, both offline, now that ground. So if you have not called him up, people will still not notice him. So people will watch the program, watch it, just like normal Zion program. But you are the one now who has added more importance to this man. So what could be the essence of trying to paint him that he is currently not doing well? Evangelist Godwin Wafa page. Yeah? Evangelist Godwin Wafa page. You people should go and follow him up. Go and follow his page. Go and follow his page. Or drop one video. Those words on there. Share that video. Share that video aggressively. Yes. Look. Yeah? What could be the essence of saying that he is not doing well? He's not faking it. Every single thing on a page here is about Zion. Nenye na nwunye yeba. Nke a na opposed to this video na kedate. But all na July. Nenye na nwunye yeba. All white ko yikwa eba. All white ko yikwa eba. Oko white ko yikwa eba nye na nwunye. Oko white ko yikwa here. Share this video. Click on like and love. Bagareba mekwe. Oko white ko yikwa here. Bagareba. And ebeni na ifuri o na-ekwu okwuchukwu white ka ọ na-eyi. Somebody drop one Evangelist Godwin ebe a campaign oye. Okay, campaign this comment. Pin comment. Onye ọ na furi Evangelist Godwin Wafa page. Go and follow him up. Ifuri everything about Zion. Ka ọ na-post no mgbe Evangelist Ebuka Obi kwuru okwu from mgbe o jere Jerusalem ka ọ gụrụ. N'eye. Hey, oh God. Sheruno, I want to show you people something from page this young man. It all started. Happen all these things. You people should be happy that name when somebody do on this social media. You should be happy. Name when somebody do on this social media. Because without me, he believe go a lot of lies. Without me, yes, he believe go a lot of lies. Or say born open post through moto one among them we say moto on the mana if you sense that young man let's share moto ni on as a pastor. All from page can feel. Them when he came and when born ya word Jehovah evoke. That those days, also nyam if you happen a ministry, obviously a ministry ebe on a well to in case we not ever go motor. So nyam if you happy and decide to go and face hard life in order to rise up again. It's only him that knows. If white. Now this particular house on a photo. This particular house one no na ese photo. I can allow this house allow. But all to come with the brina ne, but all na ga ne because I name my POP screening, my POP me fini and don't know at the house. You do anya na ifa ubenye because all na ko na me video mostly. Look at it. If we white, oh a lover of white. Neye Evangelist Ebuka Obi all through. Neye Evangelist Ebuka Obi all through. Neye I will take you to where it all started. Neye na Zion eba. Neye na Zion. Neye na ekwiva. White kwa ko yi kwa. Efure ya. Neye. Efure ya. Efure ya. Let us continue. If I on the 29th of June, let us continue. Happen okwu ase lies have nekwe akwa ozo ko yi eba. If we are the same house. If we are the same house. And he never knew that we will visit his page one day like this. Now look at somebody. Governor Ezoku said that he's currently not doing the Zion sticker, the Zion Efako Banaka, this Zion Bango, this band Anaba, Neko Banaka Eba. The man, look at it, look at the dressing of a man. You are saying that he's currently not doing well. Look at him. Even though no can Oba, or when no born Anya class. After all, I am on Doba, moto 5, 6, Ejidame program. Oh, when then I knew Uba man, I was moto 10. No, but on our if I will big man, if I will big man, let's continue. Ne, Pagareba, ne, Zion. Nka hodun ke nejelo pota. Nka hodun ke nejelo pota. Ko wonu na onye a na-ekwu onye amahebe no na eye ihe a. Ozo ezo, I will take you down to where it all started. Ina anye fona Ogbajo Apostle Johnson Suleiman, Gbajo salesman, Apostle salesman, and that other pastor Ngwalono, Doko from Bini. Oh, Zion, 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 Zion all the way. Neye, I'm a name affair. Neye here. Let me rush now and take you down to where it all started. About the new chapter of his life, meaning that the new chapter I'm guessing that was when he left the old church. Now no mmadụ na-ekwu oduka asị na onye ọwụ ma bịa na defend the fame ways but onu nwa na onwe unu ifunu na-eme na-eye ifuru ebe ọ nọ na street kide ezi ozi ọma ifuru ebe ọ nọ na street ezi ozi ọma nekwa Apostle Johnson Suleiman nekwa ka o post kwara ebe nnọkịta awụ na me nekwa salesman ife ya afụ na page iru na page ya dụrụ anything transparent nenye na nwunye na Zion white ka oyikwa another type of white kwa ka oyikwa nenye na nwunye nenye na nwunye what is there nekwe eba ife akwụkwọ na Zion ilo Zion aya ka ọnụkwa nekwe here ife akwụkwọ na ilo Zion aya ka ọnụ ina afia ife akwụkwọ na ilo Zion aya ka ọnụkwa ifuru ya ni lo Zion na ko no kwa bagariwa nke a video okay anga people egwu a maka hapụ nwanya ka ngosi unu kedu ife dị fa nekwe na Zion again akwa nke oyi kwa white kama na o nwere ife n'olu ifukwara so can you say and then na 30th of April? How many months will straight now? 30th of April. Bagariba, are you seeing? If you need Zion. But I'm going up. I say I want to show you people something. Ebe ọ nọkwa na street emekwa preaching eforia ebe ọ nọkwa na street wee na-eme preaching efokwaria mba Chinenye peace ya anụgo edezina de ete na ọzọ nekwe ife akwụkwọ na side Zion fụkwara ya ka o bukwa Baịbụl ya anyị na-akpagharị nekwe ebe ọ na-eme